If you're seeing the NAT type failed error on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, you're not alone, and the good news is, it's usually fixable. This error means your console can't properly communicate with PlayStation Network because your router isn't handling connections the right way. NAT, or Network Address Translation, controls how your console talks to the internet. For online gaming to work smoothly, your PlayStation needs a clear path through your router. When that path is blocked or misconfigured, the NAT test fails, and online features stop working. Start with the basics by restarting both your router and your PlayStation to clear temporary network glitches. Next, run the internet connection test on your console to confirm the NAT error. The most effective fix is inside your router settings. Make sure UPnP is enabled, as this automatically opens the ports your PlayStation needs. If UPnP isn't available or doesn't work, set a static IP address for your console and manually forward the required PlayStation ports. Updating your router's firmware is also critical, since outdated software often causes NAT problems. For stubborn cases, using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi can instantly resolve the issue. As a last option, placing the console in DMZ mode will fix NAT errors, but it should only be used temporarily due to security risks. Once these steps are done, test your connection again, and your PlayStation should connect normally.